This is what we do really well. 50 takes on it. I know that this was ready. 1, 2, let's see. Let's see who does it first. Don't be too gentle with it. I got it. Thank you very much. You're not showing teeth? Smile? Big one? Yeah, good one. Very nice. Thank you so much, guys. This is lovely. I'm also here. Yeah. You see this? Yes. Oh. Thank you so much. This is wonderful. And whenever you guys take your copies with you, there has to be, it's in the book, no? The A to Z? Yes. You have to read the A to Z. It is the new rhyming of all your alphabets. A for apple, and what apple does. Yeah. B for beetroot, then what beetroot does. C for? Cucumber. D for? No, D for... dogs and what they do. D is dal. It's one of the dals. That's the one. So you have all the way till Z, and Z is my most favorite. The zeal for life. Wow. Nothing works unless you have zeal. I know. So I'm actually quoting your poem. So that is, and she writes in it, कि उसको एक copy बना के, you should paste it on the door. Rebecca! Oh my God! Hi! You should paste it on the door of your daughters and your sons. By the way, members of the press and all the men present here, इस किताब के सिर्फ 2 ही पन्ने men को dedicate किए गए हैं. वो ज़रूर पढ़िएगा. Everything else is for kids and for women, of course, because we have multifaceted issues, concerns.
No, the thing was, I thought they're both equal. Otherwise, the same food we eat on the table.
Correct.
So why not put the same pack also?
Absolutely.
So there's no major difference except for certain issues that are handled.
But I just want to wish her the very best in this book, the very best. I have my copy. You should take yours. And you should really read it. तो सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि उन्होंने बड़े सिंपल तरीके से बहुत कम बात करते हुए सीधे रेसिपीज दिए हैं and have told things for women who are going to be married soon, just before the engagement, just before their wedding, just before having a baby. All of these places in a woman's life and the things that will help her naturally. So do read the book, enjoy it, and I wish you every success in the world. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you, Westland, and I wish you all the very best. Thanks for time.
Just give us a couple of minutes more. Dr. Shetty, we'd love to know more about the gist, but before that, can you have just a couple of media bites? If anyone from media has a question, we're not doing personal interviews, so if any of you want to get it, even on the camera, they can place their boom right away.
Rebecca's here.
Hi, Shushmita.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Sorry.
Congratulations to both of you for endorsing it also. Natural is definitely the way to go. And people have been also obsessed with skin, women, I think, especially are obsessed with beauty at all times. So that's understandable. But Shushmita, how many of the remedies, how often do you kind of take the natural recipes? Like, would you sit and prepare it in your house, or would you rather go for something that's already made? And yeah.
You see, what happens is in my profession, it's a good question. हम लोग थोड़े impatient से होते हैं कि हर चीज़ का रिजल्ट अभी होना चाहिए, क्योंकि कल शूट है या कल फोटो शूट है या कल कुछ और पब्लिक अपीयरेंसेस हैं. But thankfully, in the last 4 years, I've met her 4 years ago for the first time when we got together. As you know, I haven't shot a film, so I've not had the urgency to go and do things to myself which are chemically driven. It has been pretty natural. I have my elder daughter Renee is for some reason into avocado packs. So she finds them, She puts them in the fridge, makes them cold, and then at will chops them and applies them on herself. And I'm the guinea pig that she tries everything new on. So she's in boarding, so she and the other girls are very excited to know that so many young people today are learning how to do things themselves. That could also be a result of the fact that mothers don't allow you to buy anything. So then you end up making things for yourself and taking care. But I do use a lot of natural stuff. Herbs is something only she prepares. But when it comes to using cucumber for the eyes, because I do get this a lot because of being an insomniac. So you need a lot of cucumber. I do use lentil packs for scrub because I love exfoliating my skin. I do have dry skin, so that helps. I don't apply too much oil in my hair. That's just something, the hair aspect, she's been after me for a long time to listen. I haven't yet. But skin, she's got. I just listen to her with my eyes shut.
Well, that's great. And another question. People are also obsessed with perfection all the time. And in this, I'm sure as an actress, I'm sure you, most of them obviously have to look perfect all the time. And, and now everybody is obsessed with it also when it comes to cosmetic surgery or otherwise. What is your take on it? Should we have that patience to wait for it and be what you have, or is it the right that
बहुत प्यारा सवाल है. It's a very good question. Because, every individual has a different need and a very different level of patience in them. I don't think you can dictate that to a person. A person will take it at the pace that they are comfortable. But I do believe very strongly in the fact that when you say something is natural, the first thing you have to accept is that nature has a timeline. आप कितनी कोशिश कर लो, बरसात के समय से पहले नहीं आती. आप कितनी कोशिश कर लो, सीजन नहीं बदलता. Everything nature decides at a given time. And therefore, even the lines we get and the wrinkles that come around, they are a part of nature's way of saying, ab ye wala mausam aa gaya hai, and you have to accept it. Some people can, some can't, and that's fine too. For me, I think every line on my face, every product I use is something I've earned over a period of time. I've chosen to use them, chosen to feel a certain way. And then there have been times when certain lines disturb you and say, "Ye to nahi thi, kahan se aa gaye?" And then you look at them and you say, "Maine kamayi hai. Zindagi mein bahut muskuraya hai, to laugh lines aa gayi, bahut squint kiya hai, concentrate kiya hai, to crow feet aa gaye." It's a part of life, and the more you accept it, the more beautiful you grow with those lines. I think I feel more beautiful at 38 than I did when I was 18. And people thought that was Miss Universe. I think life and experience makes you more beautiful. Definitely.
We have a question right here. Just a second, we'll take questions. There's a question right here.
नहीं वो gentleman को भी पूछ लेना तो बेचारा हमसे हेलो कर रहे हैं. You're next, my love. बिल्कुल मान लीजिए, क्योंकि सच बात तो ये है कि डे बाय डे उम्र बढ़ रही है, इंसान यंग नहीं हो रहा है. मगर जब तक दिल यंग हो, इंसान को ओल्ड बुलाना बहुत मुश्किल है. आई थिंक यू हैव टू इंसान को खुश रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि इंसान के पास वक्त जो है एक बहुत ही ट्रिकी कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. अगर आप वक्त पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देने लग जाएं तो टाइम रन्स आउट होते हैं. बट वट एवर यू लिव्ड हैज़ बीन एन एक्सपीरियंस, और वो हमेशा खूबसूरत रहता है. तो जी बिल्कुल, जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है और कल आपकी कॉम्प्लीमेंट की बात है, तो आपको अगर ऐसा लगता है कि मैं दिन ब दिन जवान होती चली जा रही हूँ, तो निर्मला शेट्टी जी को क्रेडिट बिल्कुल दे रहे हैं आप. बिल्कुल. यस माय